Hello pretty ladies, another lipstick swatch and comparison video. This is Wet n Wild Crimson Crime, and this is a very pretty reddish orangish coral shade, and this is Mega Last High Shine lipstick infused with murumuru butter and mango butter and watermelon seed oil, and this is how it looks on different skin tones. It glides on easily, and it's fragrance free, and it does not feather or bleed, and this is a buildable color, and this is how it looks. And this is the comparison of the prices with different high-end brands like MAC and Maybelline, and these are the closest dupes. The quality and the color is not much different, but the prices are. So how much you are willing to spend? Like and comment below. Thank you for watching.